What's up? It's your boy Brian from Brian's Custom Auto, and I'm bringing you a Sunday special. So it'll probably upload tomorrow, which will be Monday. But I have decided, since I don't ride it, and I don't want to get in trouble for splashing, as Whistling Diesel said, I'm putting my jet ski up for sale. As a matter of fact, it's already up for sale on Marketplace. And if any of you guys remember back when I got this, y'all know that this thing runs absolutely. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just dirty. And the battery's dead right now. But aside from that, nothing we can't take care of. Anyhow, it ain't all beat up. It's not all destroyed. It's just got pine needles all over it and tree funk. So we're going to take care of that. We're going to clean this thing up. I got the super clean up there. That is diluted down. So it's not straight super clean. Because I made a mistake on that and I told you guys, yeah. Well, they informed me that that was wrong. Anyhow, so we're going to show you just how good this stuff works yet again on cleaning up this dirty old beast here. And I'm not using pressure washer on this. We're going to do it by hand. So hang tight. I'll grab the tripod and we'll get it. All right, guys, we're going to get started here. Just got to overlook the sound of the wee-woos in the background. But yes, we're definitely going to use super clean on this. See if it'll eat up some of that pine sap. I meant to get a cover, but I did not get a cover for this. Can you imagine why? Give you a hint, because I might be slightly special. So the wee-woos in the background is somebody burning brush across the street, across the highway, and it's not exactly a good situation because it is super windy up here today. So yeah, now I know my rags ain't clean, but they don't need to be for this. Got a little bit of water down in here. Now guys, what I'll end up doing here is I'll wipe this down with this first, whole entire thing, and then come back and redo it with the car soap and the Carnauba stuff. And I feel bad. I should never let this get into this kind of shape. But I did. And I can't blame nobody but myself. There it is. See how good that done just about so good. Okay. Better try a different color rag on that. Those are bleeding. All right, so we got one side wiped down. I don't know how much difference you can tell in it. Still got to get the bottom there, but I'll get that with soap and all, and with it tilted up. But anyway, here's the one side of it. I mean, guys, you can see how clean and nice this thing is. I mean, I just neglected it out there under the trees. And and then there's this side. So we're gonna start on this side now. Get it all cleaned up. So yeah, that's what happens when you leave stuff out and don't cover it up. Birds crap on it and everything else. Anyway, all right, ladies and gents, there we are, all cleaned up. Now, all I've got left to do at this point is put the battery charger on it for a minute, fire it up, let her eat for a second, shut her back down. So yeah, hang tight. Just like that, I got the battery charger on it now, but we just had it running like a top. And I mean, guys, you can see what kind of shape this is. Still got all the stickers and everything on it, including those down there. Like, it's legit a really nice ski. I just don't have time to enjoy it. And the biggest problem is... All right, guys, this is the next day. I'm going to have to add this into the video, but we did charge the battery up overnight, so let me show you. Good, even Lorelai can crank it up. Lorelai, fire it up. Look at there. Runs like a top. Gotta love them. All right, shut it off. Shut it off. Just like that. So there you go. You can't get much better than that. Runs perfect. So you know, I have a Lorelai and a wife. And, well, both of those are my bosses. So if I hit the water, guess what? Both of them want to be on the water with me. I can't put all three of them on that. So, if I want to take some time and go get some wind in my face, I got the Harley for that. Otherwise, we all three go out on the boat. And I mean, unlike most family people, I actually enjoy being with my family. So, I'll sell the jet ski. Anyway, guys, there it is. I've got it listed. $1,000. Somebody come take it. Like I said, you can see it was registered this past year. And y'all know my buddy Jack. Well, that's who I got the ski from. And his son enjoyed it for most of last year. His son, his daughter, the grandkids, all of them, they took the pontoon boat and would ride this about every weekend. So, I mean, it's a great running ski, guys. But if anybody's interested in it, shoot me an email at bellbryan, BELLBRYAN 175@gmail.com, or hit me up on Facebook. I think Facebook's still American Auto or Brian Bell, or Instagram or whatever if anybody's interested in it. But and if that's too much, shoot me an offer. Worst I can say is no, but I will say this: it's too nice to give away. So anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Just a little quick video cleaning up the old ski. Say old, it really ain't even that old. Anyway, guys, that'll do it for this one. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.